Good morning, guys.
Morning.
How you doing today?
Yeah, fine.
Good. I'm well, thank you. My name is Billy.
My name is Kirti.
Kirti?
Yeah,
Nice to meet you. Welcome to Skydive Pretoria.
thank you.
So today we're jumping out of planes.
Yeah,
This is your first time?
first time.
No? You're excited? You nervous? Why are you shaking?
I'm not shaking. The camera is shaking.
Fantastic. Alright, so every time you see me, wave, smile, thumbs up, peace sign, whatever you want. It's your video. I'm here to make you famous. Alright? Enjoy yourself, have fun, and we'll see you in the sky.
Protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.